Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change icon shape in a Honor 50. Firstly, open your Play Store and find X icon changer application. I'll show you. This one. Need downloading and installing, so click install and wait a second for install. And now click open. Then need close ads, and now need choose your application. Maybe settings will be nice to change. Okay, choose your applications and from the library choose your icon. Maybe or like Android will be nice. Okay, choose your icon and then in the top right corner we got OK button. Click it and wait a second for generating. Then close ads one more time and now click add to home screen. And how you can see, we got new icon shape and icon type of our settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.